face hurt. So let's say to you the temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold something is. Thermal energy is the energy that moves the molecules around. Heat is how heat booklet out there in the bulletin board.
Oh no!
I want to be able to post 18 children. I have 18 kids in my class. I want to be able to post 18 of this heat booklet.
I thought you had 13.
We have 18.
I thought you had 13.